Tricia, I just love hostas out in the yard, but I understand slugs like them even more than I do.
Well, they do, and you can see this plant has a little bit of damage already, and they cause damage to a lot of plants in the garden.
Well, you always have some great ideas on how to rid your garden of pests like slugs. What do you have for us today?
Well, Danny, in this bed we have some pine needles, and that's a really good barrier. Another way to keep slugs off plants you don't want them to attack would be to put some crushed eggshells around them. And some people even use soot from the fireplace, and they kind of bathe themselves in that, and they don't like that. Even beer in a dish helps.
Oh, I've heard that.
But today I have another thing, and that is creating a trap.
Okay.
And we're going to create a trap with these grapefruit halves.
Okay, how do you do that?
Well, after you've enjoyed the grapefruit, you just put it out. It's not an early Halloween decoration. And what it does is it creates a dark place that the snails or slugs like to come underneath and kind of hide.
Okay, all right. What do you do then as far as leaving them out? I mean, do you leave them out for several days or what?
Well, you can leave them out kind of as long as you want, but after a day, you can take a check and probably not only snails, but also sow bugs or pill bugs and
roly-polies.
Roly-polies, these other little pill bugs come in there, and you turn it up, and they're in there eating and kind of making a nest, and you know, it makes great bird chow.